friends! Here are two shipping containers on display, a 20 GPS and a 40 HC. We usually use 40 HC for our container houses because the 20 GP is too small to fit the container houses. Next, I will demonstrate the loading of three types of container houses into shipping containers. Style of the X-type container housing. A 20 GP can't fit it here, so we used a 40 HC for container loading. X-type container housing. Model A can fit 10 units in a 40 HC because the folded height of this model is 0.39 meters, and there are 12 purlins in the bottom frame, which provides stronger load-bearing capacity. Only 10 sets of this model can be loaded in total. Style B of the X-type container housing. This model also can only be loaded with a 40 HC, but 12 sets can fit into it. Because the folded height of this model is 0.36 meters. If your demand is large, I recommend you purchase Style B of the X-type container house. It also can only be loaded using a 40 HC shipping container, and 8 sets of the Z-type can fit into it. The 10FT expandable container house can hold 4 sets in the 40 HC high cabinet. The mini-size expandable container house can hold 6 sets in a 40 HC high cabinet. The expandable container can fit 2 units in a 40 HC. The 40 FT expandable container house can only hold 1 set in the 40 HC high cabinet.